things about him. He's very honest and sincere. God-fearing. And may respeto sa akin at sa family ko. And I think yun yung pinaka-importante sa akin.
Ikaw?
We get along then.
Yeah, we really do get along. Yung pagka-priority niyang pamilya sa kanya, that's a big thing. How she is with her sisters, how she respects her mom and dad. Basta kilala namin isa't isa. We really know each other, and I know of things na we don't need to talk about. But basta I really know who she is. And I think I really feel the same way na you know who I am. So dahil doon, that's what makes me like her. Alam ko na kahit mahirap pa, we all both understand how showbiz is, really confusing it is, and how, sometimes there's things that you can't help. Alam naman namin na gusto mo lang kasi yung magiging kapartner mo o yung kasama mo na will be able to go through that, may perseverance. I think that's